Hello those, welcome to Hair Education Part 1. So now I often get those questions that, especially those on dread, that, that they want to transition to start doing stuff. They're tired of having the dread on, you know. So yeah, this is for you those. Okay, now if you want to transition from dread to start doing, let's say something afro, something low, so or even having a wig on, it require time. Yeah, so I wouldn't just advise you to just go, and especially those that want to transition to start doing natural hair, I wouldn't advise you to do that. But what I will advise is that you need to take step by step, right? Mind you, you've been carrying your dread for, let's say, 10 years, and you know the reason why you have this on. You get one of the reasons you have this on is for easy going. You don't have time to start, maintaining your hair. So you transitioning, right, to start to start. You want to go to start having the natural hair. It takes a whole lot of work. Natural hair takes a whole lot of work, a whole lot of time, a whole lot of commitment. So if you want to do that, I will advise you to first, you're going to start it you're going to take it through a gradual process. First, I won't advise you to go start doing the afro. I'll advise you to just go start having a short wig on, like a short bob or anything short, anything that won't stress you. You get take it through that step. Then by the time you start going, you see that, oh, you're not comfortable to do it. You start see that you start transitioning, gradually. It's a gradual process, you get. So if you just want to transition like that, you might end up, regretting why you cut your dread for the first place. You get. So my doors, I don't want to put you guys in such situation. So I'm educating you guys on how to go about it. So yeah, and if you need my service, koritzhair, you know what to do. Contact DM is always there. And this beautiful afro here is out for sale. You know what to do. Just contact. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, because I'll be having more of hair education for you all. Bye.